Take a good look at this pattern. Where do you think we need to start from? Anyways, that's not a question to ask. We are here together to fix this. Okay, this is another video using a plain sheet to draft that pattern. So this very pattern looking like a snake or whatever, we are drafting it using a plain sheet. All right, but on this part, we are not folding it, we are not doubling the paper. I'm just using it the way it is. Watch closely. So first thing, you want to take the measurement between these two ends of the feet from here to here, and that is about 15 centimeter. 15 centimeter. Okay, that's for the width. Now it's still important to take the length. Let's use 10 centimeter. So we want to start by drawing the first curve. Before then, we're going to bring out the middle of this box for accuracy's sake. Okay, to start with this, like we already took the measurement from these two ends, the width of this last. So if you notice the pattern closely, the first curve got to this point. All right, you didn't get to the end of this last. So I'm going to take measurement from this beginning point to this very point where it stopped, and that is 11 centimeter. 11 centimeter. This is where we're going to take our curve. It's fine for you to roll it. So we're going to take our first curve. This time make use of your pencil, because you might make mistake and you will need to erase it. So let's start by drawing. I'll be using 2 centimeter for this strap. Mark 2 centimeter. Now at this other curve, this other snake curve, is going to be from, it ends at this point. If you observe closely to this end, that is about 30.8 centimeter, measuring from this, starting from here, the end, 30.8 centimeter. It's fine for you to roll also. All right. We are going to clean this off, connecting this line to this line, because as it is, there is no way you will be able to successfully connect it with this. So it's okay for you to erase it, figuring out a way to connect it. Let's be sure that this width for this two strap, the up and this down strap, is having the same measurements. So this is 2 centimeter in check and 2 centimeter in check. All right, so don't be confused at this drawing. Remember, the entire width of this last is between these two lines, right? And this first curve did not get to the end of this line. What that means is there will be a strap from here connecting this curve to this end. Alright, so there should be a strap going into the insole when you are lasting it. And also for this point, you also fix a strap here that will go into your insole. Let's trim it out. Strap. The strap I was talking about will be at these two ends that will go into the insole, making the pattern be on the last. We'll cut the two straps, one for display part, the other here. So let's get the strap glued together with the curve. When you are bringing it out on your material, you are not gumming it this way. You first of all bring out you bring it out on their separate order